Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best countertop ice maker. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Euhomy Ice Maker Machine Countertop, 26 pounds. Prepare your favorite drinks quickly and easily with the Euhomy Ice Maker, which churns out several ice cubes in just 8 minutes. You can also wait 24 hours to make 26 pounds of ice. An efficient compressor yields bullet-style cubes for cocktails, food, refreshing smoothies, and more. The ice maker comes with a scoop and basket so you can quickly get started. It's also equipped with user-friendly light indicators that tell you when it's time to add more water, when the ice bucket is full and your selected cube size. A transparent window lets you keep tabs on the ice as it's being made. You can opt for small or large ice cubes to make your favorite mixed drinks, fill a cooler, or simply have some cold chips to snack on. This small ice maker is compact enough for your boat, RV, kitchen counter, and more. It also catches the eye with its modern stainless steel exterior. This one can produce 1.5 pounds of ice at a time. The Prime Home Portable Ice Maker will not fail you. It comes with a 2-year warranty, so you know its manufacturers stand by its quality. Included with the unit are an ice bucket and scoop, so you can dole out the ice with ease. Pros: includes a scoop and removable basket. User-friendly indicator lights. Make a small batch in just 8 minutes. Portable. Cons: doesn't. Number 2. Crownful Ice Maker Machine for Countertop. A quiet cooling system ensures the Crownful Ice Maker will hum along in the background without disturbing the party. As with many other small ice makers in this price range, you can expect up to 9 pieces of ice in less than 10 minutes or a full 26 pounds of ice cubes in 24 hours. The removable ice bucket holds up to 80 ice cubes, which is plenty for an indoor bar, pool party, or larger gatherings. A user-friendly one-button operation means you can get started right away, even if this is your first time using an ice maker. An ice scoop is included. This countertop ice maker machine has a stainless steel framework that ensures quality and durability. Centern is relatively quiet than those larger machines. This countertop crushed ice maker could produce cubes in 3 varying sizes by adjusting its cooling time. Sizes are small, medium, and large. But some customers have created beyond these 3 formats. It's even suitable for motorhome use during road trips. Best of all, this countertop ice cube maker comes at an affordable price. Merrick's Centern could be the best-rated countertop ice maker for you. Pros: user-friendly operation for beginners. Produces up to 9 cubes. Ice bucket holds up to 80 ice cubes. Quiet compressor. Cons: water bucket. Number 3. hOmeLabs Chillpill Countertop Ice Maker. hOmeLabs has come up with an efficient and elegant countertop ice making machine. The machine has a capability of making 26 pounds of ice per day and could store up to 1.5 pounds of ice at a single go. It is one of the fastest producing ice cubes. In just 8 to 9 minutes, beautifully bullet ice cubes are ready for a glass of mocktail. With the latest technology, this ice maker portable machine has modern refrigerator technology along with a quiet working compressor. This elegantly designed machine has an auto switch-off mode which helps the machine to automatically switch off when the ice is full. The compact build makes it easily portable to carry around. Moreover, this machine comes with a small BPA plastic ice scoop and removable ice bucket. This machine is absolutely safe and comes with ETL, CEMC, CLVD, FDA, ROHS certification for your trust and safety. There's enough storage space to hold up to 1.5 pounds of ice. The machine also lets you choose between small or medium sizes. In terms of speed, the machine makes approximately 26 pounds of ice each day. You can expect small and medium batches of ice cubes to be ready in just 6 to 8 minutes. Key features. Safety certified. Clean bullet-shaped ice. Free ice scooper and removable. Auto switch mode. Number 4. Igloo ICB26WH Automatic Electric Countertop Ice Maker. This Igloo ice maker holds up to 26 pounds of ice and has a 3-quart water tank capacity. The ice basket holds up to 2 pounds of ice at a time. You can choose between small and large ice cube sizes, which makes it one of the best countertop ice makers for serving a variety of beverages, including mixed drinks. A simple but efficient control panel puts the essentials at your fingertips. For example, you can select ice cube sizes and turn the machine on and off. Indicator lights let you know when to add water, and when the ice is full. Even if you're in a rush, you can make a single batch of ice in just 7 minutes. If you prefer to keep track of your ice as it's being made, simply monitor the progress via the transparent lid. It produces bullet-shaped ice cubes in small and large sizes so you can decide whichever you want. Plus, it has a decent ice-making capacity of 26 pounds and can hold up to 1.25 pounds of ice in the storage at any given time. This stylishly compact device ensures that all your drinks remain cold regardless of wherever you are. Say hello to Igloo Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker Machine, a high quality. Number 5. Igloo ICB26HNSS Electric Countertop Ice Maker. An automatic cleaning cycle makes this countertop Igloo ice maker a more hygienic solution for your kitchen. The ice maker has a 26-pound capacity as long as you keep its 2-quart water tank full. Whether you're gearing up for a tailgating party or you just want to make a large batch of ice at once, the appliance produces 26 pounds of ice within a 24-hour period. A quicker option is to make up to 9 small or large ice cubes in just 7 minutes. If you're not quite ready to use the cubes, a 1.25-pound ice basket will keep the ice nice and cold. LED lights make the entire experience more intuitive and user-friendly by alerting when the ice basket is full, when you need to add water, and to indicate the size of the ice cubes. This countertop ice maker can be used outdoors and indoors and comes with a convenient carrying handle. Say hello to Igloo Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker Machine, a high-quality and feature-rich ice-making machine that won't be a burden on your budget. Plus, it has a decent ice-making capacity of 26 pounds and can hold up to 1.25 pounds of ice in the storage at any given time. The most distinguishing feature of this ice maker is its carry handle that adds to its portability. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.